Hello students, welcome back to online classes, and today I am taking the chapter 12, that is some basic concepts of organic chemistry. In this chapter we will discuss some topics that you have already discussed in your 10th class, and in organic chemistry we will discuss about the carbon compounds. Carbon compounds means hydrocarbons. Carbon compounds means hydrocarbons. And you all know that what are the hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are the compounds of carbon and hydrogen with some other elements like nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen, halogens, etc. So we can say that hydrocarbons are the compounds of carbon and hydrogen with some other elements like nitrogen, oxygen, halogens, etc. etc. And after the definition, we will discuss about the classification of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are classified into two types. Those are first हम लेते हैं असाइक्लिक एंड साइक्लिक, या हम और उनको क्या बोल सकते हैं, दैट इज द क्लोज्ड चेन. And here these are the open chain. When carbon form compounds in a straight chain, that is known as open chain hydrocarbons or acyclic hydrocarbons. But when these carbon atoms combine in a cyclic form, then these are known as cyclic or closed chain hydrocarbons. जब कार्बन के एटम्स एक दूसरे से जुड़कर स्ट्रेट चेन बनाते हैं तब हम उन्हें ओपन चेन बोलते हैं, लेकिन यही कार्बन के कंपाउंड्स जब आपस में जुड़कर एक साइक्लिक स्ट्रक्चर बना लेते हैं तो हम इसे बोलते हैं साइक्लिक हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. असाइक्लिक हाइड्रोकार्बन्स अगेन are classified into two types, that is saturated or unsaturated. Saturated means there are no multiple bonds, means hydrocarbons with only single bonds are known as saturated. For example, alkanes. In alkanes, all the carbon atoms are attached with each other, or hydrogen atoms only with single bonds. These are called as saturated hydrocarbons. But when some carbon atoms are combined to each other by multiple bonds, that is double bond or triple bond, then those are named as unsaturated hydrocarbons. Here in these two carbons, between these two carbons there is double bond, and in double bond one is sigma and the second one is pi bond, and in triple bond one is sigma and two are double bonds, pi bonds. So unsaturated means hydrocarbons with single bonds only, but unsaturated means hydrocarbons with multiple bonds, those are named as pi bonds. And again, saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons are classified into two types, those are branched or unbranched. When carbon atoms are present or attached to each other in a straight chain, then these are named as unbranched. जब हाइड्रोकार्बन्स के बीच में कोई डबल बॉन्ड नहीं हो तो उन्हें हम बोल लेते हैं अनब्रांच्ड. जब वो स्ट्रेट चेन में होते हैं तब हम उन्हें उन्हें बोलते हैं अनब्रांच्ड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. बट व्हेन the one carbon atom is attached on the this carbon like a side chain, अगर हम इसमें एक स्ट्रेट चेन लेते हैं तो वो 3 कार्बन्स की होती है, और ये जो कार्बन है वो इस स्ट्रेट चेन में नहीं आता है. ये किस तरीके से होता है? एज ए साइड चेन. कैसा होता है ये? एज ए साइड चेन. एंड दैट side chain is known as branch, and this straight chain is known as parent chain. So these kind of compounds in which branches are present are known as branched hydrocarbons. क्या बोले जाते हैं? branched hydrocarbons. So unbranched means carbon atoms are present in only in a straight chain. There is no branches. But when hydrocarbons has some side chains, that is named as branch, then these hydrocarbons are named as branched hydrocarbons. And in our next video we will discuss about the cyclic compounds. Thank you.